Welcome. Today we are continuing with questions and answers in history. Questions are in our previous video. Thanks a lot for subscribing. Question 4: Impact of Trans-Saharan trade on the people of Western Sudan. Emergence of towns such as Timbuktu, Tangaza, Kumbisale, Gao, and Kano. Rise of a class of wealthy merchants. Stimulation of gold and iron technology. Iron tools and weapons improved agriculture and warfare. Growth of empires such as Mali, whose kings collected taxes from traders and acquired firearms through trade. Increase in food production due to better tools. Population increase. Spread of Islamic and Arabic culture, and Islamic Sharia, that is the Islamic law. Introduction of Arabic architectural design. Introduction of camels and horses, which boosted transport. Introduction of schools and libraries, for example, University of Timbuktu. Increased warfare due to slave raids. Developed military power of states due to the acquisition of horses and firearms. Destruction of wildlife, especially elephants, due to demand for ivory. Killings, misery, insecurity, and depopulation due to the slave trade. B. Problems facing the Trans-Saharan traders in Western Sudan. Long journeys that took 3 months across the desert. Losing the way in the desert, leading to the death of some traders. Sandstorms. Attacks from wild animals. Attacks by hostile desert communities. Scarcity of water and goods. Language barrier. Harsh temperatures and adverse weather conditions leading to sickness. Question 5. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.